To our religious and spiritual leaders who have joined us this morning and afternoon, fellow Kenyans here present, and all those who are watching on TV, on radios, on the internet. Today really is not my day. Today is our day together as Kenyans, a day that we have chosen to come together to give thanks for all that God has done for us, to seek His forgiveness for anything that we may have done wrong, individually or collectively, but also to ask for His favor in the face of the challenges that we have as a nation and indeed as the world. So today mine is not to say much. I have a very simple duty, and that is to introduce to my fellow Kenyans those few who are here representing different sectors of our society, and I will just ask them maybe to stand in groups. We have those who are representing the cabinet that I lead, if they may stand. Asante. We have those who are representing the permanent secretaries. Wherever, yeah, thank you. We have the political leadership represented here today. May I ask you also to stand and be seen by our Kenyans? Yeah, thank you. We have those representing the second tier of the executive, which is the county government. I'd ask Governor to stand. We have our defense forces and our discipline forces. If I may also ask you to stand. We have those who are representing our judiciary, and I would like to ask the CJ to stand. We have those representing Parliament, led by the speakers. We have those who are representing our business sector. May I ask you also to stand. Those who are representing our labor unions, if I may ask you also to stand. And that generally is about it. Just to say that it is good to come together as a nation. It is good to pray together as a nation. I know there are those who are saying that we should depend on science, not prayers. But I want to assure you that even science needs God. Yeah. So we need to always remember that a nation prospers when a nation believes, when a nation trusts in its maker. And Kenya is a nation that believes in the Almighty, as represented in the opening stanza of our national anthem, where we recognize Him as the God of all creation. So mine is just to continue to ask you, fellow Kenyans, wherever you may be, let us continue to pray for our country. Let us continue to pray for peace, to pray for unity, to pray for healing, to pray for reconciliation and understanding, and to pray for prosperity. And I am certain that our God is a listening God. And He will hear us, and He will grant us our desire and our wishes. May God bless you all. Asanteni sana.
The final prayer is our national anthem, which we will pray, we'll sing as we pray